welcome back for another video. So to reset my car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of a Mercedes Vaneo 2004 building year. When you turn the ignition on, there is a range indicator popping up on the dash, and in this short video I'm going to show you step by step how to get rid of that. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, I want to explain what I'm doing. The ignition is turned off. Then first step is to turn the ignition to the first position. Of second position, all the lights must go on. Then we're gonna use this button, press it twice very quickly, then turn the ignition off, release the button, press it again. So I'm gonna wait for this to disappear. Ignition turned off, ignition on, 1, 2, ignition off, and press it again and keep it pressed for a few seconds. Then you'll hear a beep like this, and once you hear this, the surface is due and reset to 15,000 now. So once again, ignition to the second position, 1, 2, ignition off, press it again, keep it pressed while you turn the ignition back onto the second position, and you'll hear a beep like this. And once you hear this, the surface must have been reset. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.